If you want to style your Squarespace checkout page and make it match your brand, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to customize the checkout page inside Squarespace so your customers get a cleaner, more professional buying experience. We'll go step by step through the settings, and I'll point out what each option does so you can make the right changes with confidence. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the main menu and click Website, then click Pages. This is where Squarespace keeps all of your page settings, navigation, and special system pages. After that, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the sidebar list. You'll see a section called System Pages. Click on that to open the built-in pages that Squarespace uses for things like checkout, member areas, and account-related screens. Now click on Checkout. As soon as you open it, the workspace will refresh and you'll see a split-screen design preview. This is where you can visually style the checkout experience and preview how it will look to your customers. On one side, you'll see the live layout, and on the other side, you'll have the design controls that let you make edits quickly. Let's go through the main styling options one by one, starting with background color. This setting changes the background fill color on the right half of the checkout interface. If you want your checkout page to feel more branded, cleaner, or more modern, this is a great place to begin. Choose a color that matches your website palette or keeps the checkout area easy to read. A simple background usually works best because checkout pages should stay clear and distraction-free. Next is Show Site Logo. If you check this box, Squarespace will display your business logo image on the checkout page. This is a great way to reinforce your branding and build trust during checkout. If you leave it unchecked, Squarespace will use your text-based site title instead. So if you don't have a logo uploaded yet, or you prefer a simpler look, you can still keep the checkout page branded with your site title. After that, you'll see title color. This setting controls the text color of your site title, but only when the graphic logo option is turned off. So if you're using the text-based version of your branding, this lets you fine-tune the look so the title stands out properly against the background. Make sure the color has enough contrast so it's easy to read and doesn't blend into the page. Now move to header color. This changes the background strip color behind your brand logo banner. In other words, it affects the area where your logo or site title sits at the top of the checkout page. This is a useful setting if you want the header area to match your brand colors or create a strong visual identity. Just be careful not to make the header too loud because the checkout page should still feel clean and trustworthy. Next up is header border color. This controls the dividing line underneath your brand banner block. It may seem like a small detail, but these small visual touches can make a big difference in how polished your checkout page looks. A subtle border color can make the design feel more refined, while a stronger border can help define sections more clearly. Then we have header alignment. This option lets you align your brand assets or text to the left, center, or right side of the screen. If you want a classic website feel, left alignment often works well. If you want a more balanced and modern look, center alignment can be a great choice. Right alignment is less common, but it can be useful depending on your branding style and the overall layout of your website. Finally, there's button color. This is one of the most important settings on the page because it changes the primary accent color for checkout transaction buttons like Continue and Redeem. These buttons need to stand out clearly so customers know exactly where to click. Choose a color that matches your brand but still creates enough contrast to draw attention. A strong button color can help improve the user experience and make the checkout process feel smoother. As you make these changes, keep checking the preview so you can see how everything looks together. The goal is not just to make it pretty, but to make the checkout page feel trustworthy, simple, and on-brand. A clean checkout design can help reduce friction and make customers feel more comfortable completing their purchase. And that's how you style your Squarespace checkout page step by step. Once you know where these settings are, it becomes much easier to customize the design and create a better shopping experience for your customers. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more Squarespace how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.